Hi, my name is Chris. In this video, I want to show you how you can invest $500 or less into your business and scale it to a six-figure business your first year. I have been doing this exact myself for over 15 years, and I love it. I even taught my son how to do this exact local business. Now, this is not the latest online trend of how to do affiliate marketing or book writing or Shopify. This is a real local business where you will earn money every day. Some of our students, $300 to $500 a day, some of them $750 or more. We even have several students that are making $1,000 a day with this real local business. Now, what we're going to do for you is provide everything that you need to start this local business. You can do this part-time or full-time. You can scale it as high as you like. You can even pass it down to a family member or hire employees. Now, I recommend you do it yourself for a while until you determine what you want to do and how you want to grow your business. So I know by now most of you are wondering, how does it work and what do you need to start this business? Well, we give you most of everything that you need. You need to be 18 years or older. In today's technology, all businesses need a website. We create that for you. We install it, host it, maintain it. It's a professional 15, 20-page website. You need training. That's provided in the course. You also need new customers. We provide the advertising. We give you everything from A to Z to start this very profitable and to ensure that your business is successful from day one. So what is this very profitable and easy to start business where you make 65, 80, or 100K the first year and we give you everything that you need? Your local appliance repair business.